Hey guys, I hope everyone is doing well. Today I have a lot of things to kind of tackle off my to-do list. I feel like everyone in my family has been sick this past week, so things have kind of gotten out of control and my cleaning schedule's been a little bit crazy. But I really need to finish going through my closet declutter. My sock drawer is just completely out of control. I need to go through my nail polishes. I got a few new of the KL polishes and I need to make room for them in the little container where I keep my nail polishes. I'm really excited about all these really fun colors. These are part of the KL Polish Spring 2018 collection. I also need to go through my makeup brushes. I ordered a couple new ones from Morphe. I feel like I use most of my brushes, but there's definitely some that I'm not using, so I wanted to declutter some of those, and then I need to clean my brushes. So here's what my bathroom is currently looking like. It's a complete mess and my bedroom is not much better, so I definitely have a lot of work to get done here today. And now my nail polishes are pretty full, so I need to go through these ones and make room for the new ones I just got. So I'll probably just look to see which ones are old or which ones are kind of similar in color and take it from there.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town.
So I have a lot of brushes here. I like to have a couple of foundation brushes just in case one's dirty or if I'm using a different foundation. I like to try to use the same brushes for each foundation. So I decided I'm gonna get rid of these two because I don't really use them as much. And then I picked up a couple new brushes from Morphe that just came in the mail. This is the E6 foundation brush. I also got the Y6. I think that they're pretty much the same, but this one is part of their Elite collection. Then I got the E13 shadow brush and the E27. I got two of these ones. I'm not sure why. I think I did that by mistake. But anyway, I have a lot of brushes to clean today. I picked up this mat here from Amazon. It works really good. And then I just like to use the Palmolive antibacterial soap to make sure that I'm killing the bacteria.
From London to Taiwan, I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky.
So I decided to get rid of a couple more brushes, these little Eco Tool ones, because they're kind of doubles of what I already have over here and I don't use them that much, so there's no point in me keeping them. I picked up two new of my favorite Anastasia brow wigs during the Ulta Beauty 21-day sale. And I also just ordered two more of my favorite MAC Fix Plus for like half price or whatever it is. I always like to stock up when they have that sale. I also want to quickly go through my perfumes. I feel like I have too many and some of them I haven't worn in a while. So I'm gonna try to get rid of a couple and see if I can either like pass them on to someone else or I'm just gonna toss them. So I have my two like favorite everyday kind of perfumes. This one is Pink Sugar and then I have Kiehl's Original Musk. And then I have Flower Bomb and this one is Alien that I really like. The scent is like very formal, I would say, kind of like fancy, so I don't wear this one every day. And then I have this Kate Spade Live Colorfully. I know my mom likes this. So since I have so many other ones that I kind of need to get through, and then I have a lot of like little samples too, I think I might pass this one on to her. And then I have Burberry Brit that I just really haven't worn in a while, and it's kind of old. I think I'm just gonna get rid of this one.
Town to town, from London to Taiwan, I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
I'm gonna get started on cleaning my bathroom, and then I have a bunch of socks that I want to go through and that I need to declutter. So I'm finishing up my closet declutter and spring cleaning, and I noticed that my sock drawer was a complete disaster. I have way too many socks. I have a huge bag here of socks that I need to go through, and I need to declutter a bunch so that I can fit everything back in my drawer. Plus I bought a pack of new white ankle socks, so I need to be able to fit my new stuff in the drawer. So I think this is the easiest way, to just put everything on the floor like this, and I'm gonna separate my socks by like the higher cut socks and then ankle socks. And to make this go faster, I'm gonna quickly go through the ones that I know I like and I wear and that aren't stretched out or all nasty, and I'm gonna put those ones aside first. These ones right here are everything that I'm definitely keeping, so I'm just gonna put those ones back in the bag. These ones are the ones that I'm definitely getting rid of. It's a bunch of ankle socks, and a lot of them are just either old or stretched out. And then I have 2 pairs of dress socks, and they're missing their match. These two don't go together, so I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of these as well. So I'm gonna put these ones aside. And then these ones are the maybes. So these ones are a pair of Christmas socks, and these are my only Christmas socks, so I think I'm just gonna keep these ones. These ones I never wear. They're like super, super thick. They're comfortable, I just don't wear them. So I think I am going to get rid of these ones. These are like one of my only pair of like thick socks. And I feel like it's always good to have a pair of these, especially with like the snow or if you're outside. So I'm gonna keep these ones. These ones, they're kind of like rough. I don't like the way they feel, so I am going to get rid of these ones. These ones are another pair of those like really fuzzy ones, and I don't wear them, so I'm gonna get rid of these ones. Didn't think that any of these fit me, but they actually do. I just tried them on and they're all the same, so I'm gonna keep all of these ones. So these are all the socks that I'm getting rid of. Now I definitely have room for the new socks and the socks that I actually wear. All right guys, that's it for today's little video vlog. I hope you like this style of video. Please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.